Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is the Nameless from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with German camo black brown for his jeans. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For his shirt, I went with silver grey, just to make it look like white without having to paint several layers as normal white would need. His waistcoat is a lighter tone than the rest of his clothing, so I gave it a base coat of British khaki. For his belt and holster, I ended up using the light brown, which is actually the first highlight colour on this. I wanted to base coat this and picked up the wrong one. All of his exposed skin gets a once over with sunny skin tone. Getting all of the remaining clothing done, I went with Ancient Forest. For the base, as with all my current Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. To knock down all of the flat areas on the belt, I used Satyr Brown, which was intended to be the base colour. I'm just going backwards. Adding a highlight to his jeans and some facial hair, I grabbed Wasteland Brown. Highlighting his poncho, hat and shoes, I used Argonaut skin, just over the raised parts. His waistcoat also gets a quick highlight using golden brown. There is some trim and detailing on the waistcoat and poncho. That gets done with AK Interactive Sand Yellow. All of the metal parts get done with gunmetal. For the wash, I went for an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash. I do spend some time though going over this wash again and just pulling it away from these shirt sleeves. This helps the recesses get covered but keeps everything from staining too much. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for the Nameless. He's a very simple mini, but it was still fun to paint. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.